Personal Fitness and Exercise Crash Course, Injury Prevention and Recovery. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on injury prevention and recovery. In this section, we will explore the importance of taking proactive measures to prevent injuries during exercise and the methods to aid in recovery if an injury does occur. Understanding how to prevent injuries and effectively recover from them is crucial for maintaining a safe and sustainable fitness routine. Let's delve into the world of injury prevention and recovery and equip ourselves with valuable knowledge. Stories and examples. 1. The runner's journey. Imagine a dedicated runner who loves hitting the pavement every morning. One day, they experience a sharp pain in their knee while running. Concerned about the possibility of an injury, they consult a physiotherapist who guides them through a rehabilitation program. With consistent treatment and preventive exercises, they regain their strength and return to their beloved running routine. 2. The gym enthusiast's wake-up call. Picture someone who frequents the gym, pushing their limits and challenging their body. One day, they strain their lower back while attempting a heavy lift. Faced with discomfort and limited mobility, they consult a professional who teaches them proper form and provides exercises to strengthen their core. Through diligent rehabilitation, they recover and learn the importance of injury prevention. Top 12 Injury Prevention and Recovery Techniques, Methods. 1. Warm-up and cool down. Before and after each workout, engage in a dynamic warm-up and cool-down routine to prepare your body for exercise and aid in recovery. 2. Proper form and technique. Learn and practice proper form and technique for each exercise to minimize the risk of injury. 3. Gradual progression. Gradually increase the intensity, duration, and frequency of your workouts to allow your body to adapt and reduce the risk of overuse injuries. 4. Rest and recovery. Include rest days in your training schedule to allow your body time to recover and repair itself. 5. Cross-training. Incorporate different types of exercises and activities to reduce the repetitive stress on specific muscles and joints. 6. Strength training. Include strength training exercises in your routine to improve muscle strength and stability, reducing the risk of injury. 7. Flexibility and stretching. Perform regular stretching exercises to improve flexibility and range of motion, reducing the likelihood of muscle strains and joint injuries. 8. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any signs of pain, discomfort, or fatigue and modify or stop exercises accordingly. 9. Use proper equipment. Wear appropriate footwear and use well-maintained equipment to support your body and reduce the risk of accidents. 10. Hydration and nutrition. Stay properly hydrated and fuel your body with nutritious food to support overall health and aid in recovery. 11. Injury treatment and rehabilitation. Seek professional help if you experience an injury, and follow a rehabilitation program tailored to your specific needs. 12. Mindfulness and self-care. Practice mindfulness techniques and engage in self-care activities to reduce stress, enhance mental well-being, and promote overall recovery. Summary. In this section, we explored the importance of injury prevention and recovery in maintaining a safe and sustainable fitness routine. We discussed 12 techniques and methods, including warm-up and cool-down, proper form and technique, gradual progression, rest and recovery, cross-training, strength training, flexibility and stretching, listening to your body, using proper equipment, hydration and nutrition, injury treatment and rehabilitation, and mindfulness and self-care. Poem. In the realm of fitness, where strength resides. Injury prevention, a vital guide. With knowledge and care, we pave the way to protect our bodies, day by day. Warm up and cool down, a ritual to embrace. Preparing our muscles for the exercise chase. Proper form and technique, a safeguarding art. To move with precision, to protect each part. UAL progression, a steady climb. Allowing our bodies to adapt in time. Rest and recovery, a moment to heal. A chance for our bodies to restore and reveal. Cross-training, a diverse embrace. Reducing the strain in a harmonious space. Strength training, a foundation strong. Supporting our bodies, where we belong. Flexibility and stretching, a graceful dance. Unleashing our movement, taking a chance. Listening to our bodies, a mindful choice. Modifying our exercises, lending a voice. Proper equipment, a shield so grand. Protecting our bodies, lending a helping hand. Hydration and nutrition, a nourishing plea. Fueling our bodies, setting them free. Injury treatment and rehabilitation, a path we tread. Seeking professional guidance to mend what's been led. Mindfulness and self-care, a gentle touch. Healing our bodies, embracing as such. With these techniques, we strive to stay injury-free, on our fitness pathway. Prevention and recovery, an essential pair. Guiding us through, with utmost care. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of fitness, we find our stride. Injury prevention, by our side. Warm up and cool down, a ritual to embrace. Protecting our bodies, in each exercise space. Chorus. Proper form and technique, a guide so true. Gradual progression, the right path to pursue. Rest and recovery, a moment to heal. Cross-training and strength, our bodies reveal. Verse 2. Flexibility and stretching, a fluid grace. Listening to our bodies, finding our pace. Proper equipment, a shield so strong. Hydration and nutrition, our bodies belong. Chorus. Injury treatment and rehabilitation, a guiding light. Mindfulness and self-care, healing in sight. Prevention and recovery, a vital pair. Nurturing our bodies, with utmost care. Bridge. In the realm of fitness, we stand tall. Embracing each method, preventing the fall. With knowledge and care, we journey through. Injury prevention and recovery, for me and you. Chorus. Proper form and technique, a guide so true. Gradual progression, the right path to pursue. Rest and recovery, a moment to heal. Cross-training and strength, our bodies reveal. Outro. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.